let's give this a shot. Does this work out? I don't think so. But we might as well try. Because, you know, it was free. It's attached to the computer. And I don't want to spend any money. So, let's see how this works. Really, I just have to keep talking for a couple of minutes. Because then we can see if it cuts parts. If it continues or whatever. Not, it kind of messes up sometimes and all the time, but still we will use it because it was free and it's attached to the computer. And I get a free webcam, but the webcam works, it's perfectly fine, no lag, nothing, top quality sound. On the other hand, my audio was crap, but we're hoping that by messing with the echo and other features of it, that I can get it to work. Now, since it's been a minute so-and-so seconds, I might as well stop the recording here. Or after, no, I'll stop it here before I make a fool of myself even more. This is the second recording. I found out the problem. I can't really do anything when I'm recording except for talking. Which sucks because I kind of want to make videos. But I'll just have to do the video and then put commentary over it. And kind of hope that works because I'm going to be stuck with this whether we like it or not. And I'll probably just, yeah. You should leave a comment if you like it or not. And I'm sorry my voice sounds crappy. I kind of listened to the first recording, and I have a cold, and as you may have noticed, this audio kind of sucks, which is why we're testing it, and all its strange features I have no idea how to work with. But it's attached to the computer, it's free, and I don't want to spend 25 bucks to get a new one. So, I'm kind of stuck with it. But, sooner or later I'll probably get a new one, so then I can actually make things work and not be screwed the crap out of by this damn recording thing. Damn recording. Anyways, I'll end this here because this is a recording test and hope nothing fails. Like another recording I did, and the one before that, and the one before that. And many tries before that, but we're not going to go there. So, yeah, that's about it. Go do something else, or leave a comment, or whatever you really do after you listen to this. Okay, see ya.